What's the meaning of assignment? Assignment. Assignment.
Assignment. Assignment. Assignment refers to the act of assigning or allocating a task, responsibility, or role to someone. The main purpose of assigning tasks is to delegate work and ensure effective distribution of workload among team members. Assignments can be given in various settings such as schools, workplaces, and organizations. Assignments can help individuals develop new skills, knowledge, and experience. They can also provide opportunities for self-reflection, collaboration, and feedback. Effective assignment management is crucial for achieving goals, maintaining productivity, and improving organizational performance.